Hello and welcome to another MemberMouse 101 training video. My name is Eric Turnison, and in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of the tools available to you for managing your members. Here we are on the Manage Members screen, and on this screen you can search for members based on specific criteria such as membership level, status of the account, email address, name, etc. And in the grid below you see overview information of each account, such as email address, bundles applied to the account, their membership level, the status of the account, when they registered, etc. And then in order to go to the member details area for a specific member, I just click on their email address, and this takes me to the member details area. Now in each tab of the member details area, there's a hero section, which will show the status of the account, what membership level they're on, what bundles they have applied to the account, and the lifetime value of the account, which is simply the total amount paid minus any refunds. On the General tab, you can see some overview statistics of the account. You can log in as the member. You can edit the top level account information, such as billing address, shipping address, email, name, and password. And you can also send the member a reset password email from here. Next, we have the Access Rights tab. And on this tab, you can change their membership level. You can change the status of the existing membership level. And you can change the days as member calculation method. This is simply how MemberMouse determines where the member is in the drip content schedule for their membership. You can also manage the bundles that are applied to the account and add new bundles. Next, we'll go to the Subscriptions tab. Here you can see information about all subscriptions associated with the member's account, including the status, the billing description, what the associated access is, and then in some cases you'll be able to see the next rebill date. Now this is dependent upon which payment service provider is handling the billing for the subscription. For example, with Stripe, this information would be available. But with PayPal, this information would not be available because PayPal is responsible for maintaining a subscription and therefore MemberMouse does not have this information. Next, you have some actions you can take on the subscription. You can edit the next rebill date if possible. And then you can also choose to cancel billing and the associated access, or just cancel billing. If you just cancel billing only, it's going to cancel the subscription. The customer will no longer be billed, but they will still maintain the associated access. Next, you have the Transactions tab. This shows you all the billing transactions that have happened on the account. It indicates the date, the product that was billed, the amount, whether it was a charge or a refund, if there was an affiliate responsible for the referral, and you can also see if there were any discounts or prorations applied to that specific charge. And then you're also able to issue refunds for charges if you need to. Next, we have the Activity Log. And here we can see all the activity on the member's account since they joined, including what pages they've accessed, when they logged in and from what IP address, access rights changes, billing events, and even what emails were sent out to the member. And in those cases, you can click here to view the email that was actually sent out. And you can also filter all of these events by type. So if I just want to see the billing related events, I can select billing, show events, and now I see only the events associated with billing. Next, we have the Custom Fields tab. This is simply where we can edit the data of any custom fields associated with the member's account. And finally, we have any user-defined pages that you've configured in MemberMouse. Now, the last thing I want to show you is the payment options dialog. Anytime you go to do something that's going to require a billing event, the payment options dialog will come up. So for example, let's go ahead and say we're going to change this person's membership level to the growth membership, and I click change membership. So here we are in the payment options dialog. Now I can either comp this membership, which basically will just bypass billing, or I can specify which product I want to bill them for. This particular membership, there's only one product associated with it, so I'll go ahead and select that. And it shows me, okay, this is going to be charged $15 every month. I can indicate whether I want to credit an affiliate with this billing. And then I have my payment options. If the customer has a card on file associated with their account, I can simply click Bill Card on File and it will bill that card. Alternatively, I can choose to manually enter the customer's billing information. By clicking this, it will take me to the checkout page, and then I can work with the customer over the phone or some other method to enter in their credit card information and submit the order. Or I can simply email a checkout link to the customer so that they can go ahead and purchase the item themselves. In this case, I'll just choose Bill Card on File. It asks me to confirm. And now I can see my membership was successfully changed to growth membership, and I go to transactions. I'll see that I was billed $5 for the growth subscription, and I was prorated $10 because I had previously paid $10 for the starter subscription. So this was a really brief overview of the tools available to you to manage your members. We have plenty of other training videos and articles available to help answer questions about all sorts of specific scenarios in helping you manage your members. To access those, just go to the Need Help menu and click Related Videos and Articles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.